Want to control what apps, movies, and games your kids can download from the Google Play Store? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to enable or disable parental controls in just a few seconds. Hey everyone, welcome back to TechLoad, your go-to channel for tech tips and tutorials. Let's dive right in. Part 1. Enable parental controls. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then tap on Family. Here, you'll see Parental Controls. Tap it and switch it on. Now, you'll be asked to create a PIN code. This is important because you'll need it to change these settings later. After setting up the PIN, you can choose the type of content you want to restrict. Apps and games, movies, TV shows, books, or even music. For example, you can allow only apps rated for ages 7 and under, or block explicit music. Super handy if your kids use your phone or tablet. Part 2. Disable parental controls. If you ever want to turn parental controls off, just head back to the same settings. Tap Parental Controls, enter your PIN, and simply toggle the switch off. That's it. Restrictions are gone. If you forget your PIN, you'll need to clear the Play Store data from your phone's settings. Just go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, Storage, Clear Data. This resets parental controls, but also clears other Play Store settings.